In this demo, we will learn how to connect Gmail with n8n. First, I will create a new workflow and rename it for better organization. Now, I will add the Gmail trigger, which starts the workflow when a new email is received. Here, we can see different configuration options like credentials, polling time, events, and filters. To connect Gmail, we need to create credentials. Now, I will sign into my Gmail account. I will allow the required permissions so that n8n can access my Gmail. The Gmail account is now successfully connected. Poll time defines how often n8n checks for new emails. The event specifies what action triggers the workflow, such as receiving a new message. Filters can be used to process only specific emails based on conditions. Now, the Gmail trigger is configured and ready to use. This is how we connect Gmail with n8n and prepare it for automation workflows.